I'll just right click, take a Niagara system, and I'll take my favorite fountain. So by default, this is CPU emitter. Okay, here you can see the properties CPU emitter. From here, the sim target, you can choose CPU or GPU. What is the difference? How does it work? So basically, if you have this CPU, the very basic difference is you can use a millions of particles in GPU because it works on your hardware. It takes the GPU, your graphic card. So basically, if you go here and go to the particle count, it's taking this particle system, this much of particles. If you keep increasing, okay, and increasing, let me see. Now part it's stuck. It's not doing anything at like 4 millions of particles or like, yeah, 4 lakh particles. Okay. But if you use the same simulation and make this GPU, and when you use GPU, you need to use also the bounding box. And now if I now play, now it's working. See, this is working. Particles falling down on the same particle. This is the first major use of GPU and CPU particle system. Apart of this, lots of things doesn't work on the GPU, but almost everything is work on CPU. Yeah, something doesn't work on CPU also, like the simulation stages. So basically, if you make like 100 particles and you have this like red or particles and you want to add light in here, so like if I drag my particle system here and you want to add the light for the each particles, uh, if you have the CPU by default, you can add a light from here. And see, now we have light when these particles like almost interacting with the ground, there's a light in the ground. But when you convert this to the GPU, it will show an error that we cannot use the light render in the GPU. So this is the first thing that we cannot do in the GPU. So if I delete it, the error will go on, but we don't have light. The second thing, before the 5.2, because this is Unreal Engine 5.2.1, before that we cannot use the ribbon in the GPU, but now fortunately we can use. So now we can use GPU, we don't have any error. But before this version, if you are working 5.1 or 5 or 4.27, you cannot use ribbon in the GPU. Okay. The other thing is you cannot use the like event handlers in GPU, but you can use in CPU. And what is event handler? I'll make a different video. Basically, you can just send the position and that time from one emitter, then the other emitter will take the position of this emitter or take the time and position of that of this or collision. So this is the event handler when you want to emit other emitter depending on a condition on an event that you cannot use in GPU. Similarly, this simulation stage you use with the GPU, not the CPU. Okay. So these are the differences, the major differences. And also when you're using the GPU, like you have the GPU and you just go, you have this GPU. Okay, and we have this bounding box. If this bounding box is not big enough, like this is like minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Oops, this is important. Okay, and I'll save this and let's play. So particle gone. When I'm moving it, so depending on the bounding box, particle not visible. So in this case, you need to increase the box. Like if I reset it and make it like 500, 500, 500, minus 500, minus 500, minus 500. You can also set it from here. You will see a bounding box. You can set it from here. Now if I play and move, see, even a single particle is visible, it will show you. Okay. So with the GPU, you need to also check your bounding box if your particle is not visible when you're moving your camera. So these are the differences. I hope you're clear. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.